Hey, hello guys, this is Strongman254 and this is my YouTube channel guys. I've been out of online uploading videos. It's a long time now, but I've come back to give you some videos. But guys, I'm back. So this is going to be my second video whereby I uploaded one like 4 days ago, which was about the drilling. That's what I also do apart from plumbing. So guys, welcome to this video, welcome to this channel. Subscribe, comment, like and share. Guys, support me on the 1000 subscribers and the watch hours. So today I've come here to do some finishing, something which I'm going to do like around half an hour, because we are doing some finishing. This is the house I've been doing for like around 1.5 years, and now we are doing some finishing. So I'm going to show you some connections around here, and maybe I'll go inside also and show you what we have been connecting. And this house also, it's somehow full of the tenants, so the owner is already earning some money. Yes, so as you can see, this is the stake. This is where all the toilets are, from here going up. I'm very sure you know this house so well. So these are 1 bedrooms from this side going to this side. So this is the toilet, and this other ones are kitchens, the bedroom, and the balcony. This area right here, this is the balcony. See what I'm talking about. So this right here is the stake. Those are the toilets, and this window here from down here going up, so that is the kitchen and that is the balcony. The other side is the dining and the sitting room. And then this other side, which I'm showing you right here, this area is for 2 bedroom. So this is the kitchen, and the kitchen followed by the balcony. The other side of this balcony is the sitting room and the dining. Then this other side is a bedroom going up, and I will also show you the second room, which is master bedroom, and it has also a common toilet. So I was showing you this part. So this is the first room, and this here is the toilets going up, and the other side, so this is the toilet of the master bedroom, guys, from right here going up. And there is a restaurant up here. That restaurant is using this toilet here, and so this is the back side. There is a front side also. For this other side, this is the back side, and there is the front side. So this other side is 1 bedroom, and the other side is also 1 bedroom, and this other side also is 2 bedroom, and the other side 2 bedroom, guys. So keep on following. So what you can see here, this is this pipe here right here, which is coming down right here. This is a storm water pipe. This is a storm water pipe from up there, and this window right here is for master bedroom. This one, whereby this other end, which I have already shown you, that is the toilet of the master bedroom, and this area here is the opening, like a corridor, whereby in future the owner will put a small lift from down here going up. Then this other side now, this is the second area, this is which is a front part, whereby this is the window of the another 2-bedroom of the front area. And this is the pipe now. Let me show you. This is the pipe now which is connecting the toilets from up going down. So this area is master bedroom, because this window you are seeing here is the master bedroom, and this is its toilet. And the common toilet you cannot see it, and also the other room, maybe I go to other side, then I can show you. Sorry guys, maybe I've not been showing you. So this is the second room of the 2-bedroom side. Very sorry, this side here, and the balcony is on this side, you can see right there. And then the other side now is for 1 bedroom. That's what I was saying, why I was saying that, you see, the other side time I could have gone inside on this plot right here and show you exactly what I mean, because the face will come exactly and so see it better more than what I am doing right here. But the problem is, this other area the owner had already put the gate here for security purposes, so I won't be able to go inside and show you what I mean. But guys, keep on following. This is Strongman 254, and this is the main gate, guys, for to enter this premise. You can see right here. Yes, keep on following, guys. Yes, and the neighbor has already put the gate also right here. So guys, this is the staircase. As you can see, the staircase. Still there are some fundis who are working right here, so you can see this is the staircase now going up. Yeah, you can see right here they are using this filler, black filler, to fill the open gaps. So still the work is still going on. You can see how it looks smart, guys. You can see the finishing. You can see the finishing, how it looks. Hello mambo. And all the houses here are occupied. This one. This is the opening which I was telling you. You can see. So yes, these are the stairs now. You can follow. Yes, you can still follow. That is the first floor. The second floor. Still you can see the black which is applied right here, meaning there is still something which is happening right here. You see, I've not been here like 3 weeks, because my work has already finished. It's something small which I've come to do. So these are the stairs. You can follow. These are the stairs. All these are occupied already. You can see even the mats at the door. You can see all of them. They have some tenants inside. Yes. Yeah, guys, you can follow. You can follow. Yeah, this is it, guys. This is it. I will go up, then I will come down also and show you. That is it, guys. The stairs. All these already occupied, guys. Yes. Even you can see doormats right there. Yes. There is some music, so I have to pause a little bit. Yes, so guys, this area here is the parapet area, 5th floor, as you can see. And what I know here in the Airbnb, everything, guys, perfect. Everything perfect here, as you can see. The owner has started furnishing. You can see the curtains. The fan is right there. Curtains here. So this is the bedroom. This is the bedroom. And there is some police who are working, so you can hear some voices, but don't worry. So this is my work now. So this is the wash and basin, as you can see. There is water running. There is water running right there. You can see the water is running perfectly. The water is running right there perfectly. Yes. And that is it, guys. And then here you go inside the toilet. The toilet is right there. That is the toilet. Let me close the door. So that is the toilet, guys. Let me remove this piece of tile. There is still some grouting which is going on. The tile person. So this is the toilet. This is the toilet put by Mr. Strongman, installed by Mr. Strongman. Right there. Right there, guys. Yes. We can flush inside also. I don't know what is happening. Okay. We can flush. Let the water go inside. Let the water fill the cistern first, and then we can flush. And then this is the shower right there. That is the shower right there, guys. So I can't open the water fully because still there is something. The tile man has not done the grouting, so maybe I'll be interfering with his work when I open the water and fall right here. So the grouting will turn wet and it will be more difficult for him now to start keeping the tiles clean again. Yes, that is it, guys. That is it. That is it, guys. And you can see the tiles, the design. You can see the design. You can see the design right there. You can see the design right there, guys. From there, going this side, right there. That is a stopcock. And in future, if maybe the owner decided to put the instant water heater, the handy, not that what do you call it, instant water heater itself, but you see there is two. I am talking about that head like this one, so you can get power from there and connect. Yes. Water level, so I'm going to flash for the last time now and see the pressure. Yeah. For the last time, please, I can see the pressure. The pressure is so high, guys. You can see. So you can see there is separation. So there will be a curtain which will be put right here, shower curtain. So this area will be so private. When you are here, you are in the bathroom showering, and then when you are here, you are in the toilet. There will be a toilet mat which will be put right here, the one to step on when you are using the toilet. This is the first floor trap. This one will carry the water which maybe will be poured in case of anything right from this area. And then this floor trap here is connected to the main one. This is the master galley, the one which 4 areas to connect. So but we connected the big area which is 2 inch. So from there, this area, and this area is where now there is a lot of water because of the shower. That's why I decided to put this main floor trap, and this one is that's the usual floor trap, which is the pipe is 1.5. Yes, the pipe is 1.5. This is 2.5. But from here to here, the one which is connecting here is the one which is connecting from there to this area is 1.5, and then it goes out. The shower right there, guys. That is a tap, stopcock, and the shower arm, shower head. That is it. So let me show you the kitchen now. Yes. So this is the sitting area. You can decide to make this your dining. This area here, you can decide to make this your dining, or the other side right there, and the sitting room right here. This is the front window, already with a curtain, the main door for entering this area. And then this is the, what do you call it? This is the balcony now. There is a point here you can see. If the owner wants to put a washing machine, you can fix the washing machine here, and the waste now which will be carrying the water is this one. This will carry, because we did this when we already done the piping. So we did this as an extension, so we didn't want to start breaking the wall. We decided now to just use this master galley, which is a floor trap. Any water which will be pouring right here will be going in this area, and it will go right down and we have a drainage for storm water down there, and it will go. So that is it, guys. The balcony, the one which I was showing you when I was down there. Yes. We have our welder right here. The one which you are seeing, who is climbing here, is our welder. Is the one who has done the welding. What you are seeing right there is the one who has done his work, and now he is fixing some shower rod, curtain rods. Yes, those are curtain rods. And then, guys, this is the kitchen now. You can see the sink. You can see the sink right there. So you can see the space from this side to where the tap is. Meaning, when you want to maybe you want to do away with this tap, this thing, if you hold this way, it will turn around. It will turn around without interfering with the wall. There was a time which I was explaining about the dangers. Let me put my bag here, then I explain something. The dangers of putting this sink almost at the wall. Meaning, maybe if you want to do some repair there, mainly the tap or maybe the mixer, because the piping which is here is only one line for cold water. Mombasa is so hot, so most of the people, we don't do hot water. Few houses which are connected to hot water, but most areas is only one line, cold water. So you make sure you put enough space here. In future, when you want to do some repair, you want to put a new install a new tap, and you have to hold down here. Have to hold down there and rotate this one. So you can see there is a lot of space here. There is a lot of space right here. There is a lot of space right here. So you'll be having no difficulty for maybe putting a new tap. And there is water here, guys. You can see. You can see. There is water right here. There is water right here, guys. You can see. You can see. There is enough water right here. Sorry. There is enough water right here, guys. Yes. And because of the hot weather, the sun is too hot, and this water now is hot also. Even I can feel it. It's too hot. The water itself. Yes. That is. It's so difficult for Mombasa to be in a cold weather, but mostly once or twice a year for a very short period. Not most of the time. Not most of the time. Yes. That is it, guys. You can see the bottle tap right there, the connection. This pipe right here, this is the overflow. Overflow means if this water is full up to this area, then it will go like this. It won't leak outside. It will come with this pipe now, and then it will connect to the bottle trap and it will go out. So we call it overflow. This sink has its own overflow. That is it, guys. So you can see the worktop right there. You can see the worktop right there. The cooker will be right here. There is a socket for the cooker right there, and the fridge will be this opening. Yes, this opening right there. This opening, that's where the fridge will be, and the cooker will be right there. And you can see, this is for purely business. This is not something whereby, this is not a residential house. This is for business tenant. So you have to be limited. So you can see right there. So guys, this is our restaurant. From this side, this is the kitchen. You can see. So this is what I've come to do. You can see there is no tap here, so I've come to connect the tap, the west of this area, and this is the what can I say, the parapet area, and there will be a restaurant right here. So maybe if you have maybe a birthday party, anything you want to do, you can rent this space and you will use this kitchen right here, and maybe your people will be seated right there. But will be this area will be, there will be some canvas like that one. Let me show you. Like this one. Can you see this one? Yes. There will be some canvas which will be put on this area right here. All this area. So maybe if someone wants to put some seats here, there will be some seats right here, and people will sit and enjoy. Yes, so that is what I've come to do. So there is some cleanliness which is going on. Still all these things which has to be put outside, because almost the work is done, is over. Yes. So there will be some the washing machine will be right there. The washing machine will be right there. And then the owner wants to use this as a door sink. So I have to install also a tap right here, and also the sink, the waste right there. That's what I've come to do. And this restaurant also will use this. There is a wash basin which has water already. You can see there is water right there. There is water right there, and also a toilet. There is a toilet here already fixed. You can see, can hear? Yes, there is a toilet right there. What is remaining here is some cleanliness, a little bit, and everything will start working, guys. So that is the environment. That is our borehole right there. Yes, that is the borehole, the one which is giving this whole house water. And the tanks are up there. Water tanks are up there. Yes, let me show you the neighbors. Those are our neighbors right there. Those are our neighbors. Those are our neighbors. You can see those are our neighbors, guys. Yes. So thank you guys and keep on following. Wewe hebu niangalilie nini tabs hapa. Fungua hapa niangalilie tabs. Unaona sasa? Nimeflash. I am done guys. So very tired indeed. So that is the tap. And this is the connection. The other place I've also done the same thing, but unfortunately there is some fundis are playing music there, so I can't go to that side. But maybe tomorrow I'll be around doing the final thing. Thank you guys, thank you for watching, and keep on supporting Mr. Strongman 254. Subscribe, comment, and make sure you put the notification bell on. When I upload video, you'll be the first one to support me. So, and make sure when you watch my video, make sure you leave a comment right there. Thank you guys, and thank you for watching. Thank you, and bye.